Hi, I'm Stephanie, TCB Drones. We're about to show you how we do inspections on lights. So it's very important to make sure that these lights and the connections are stable, and that's why municipalities hire us to do inspections. Let's get started. Inspections are done in a two-person team. You have the PIC, that's the pilot in command, and the VO, that's the visual observer. And we capture specific images to make sure that we get everything that we need, starting with the tag shot. Now that's the individual address of each pole. Then you get the full shot, so whoever's looking at the video or the pictures can see everything that's included on that pole. We do the nadir shot, that's the 90-degree angle, and we do various other shots by moving the drone as well as manipulating the gimbal. We call it paint with the head. You paint the image, you start with the top, you get both sides, you go all around it, and the core, the pole itself. So there are specific shots that we take, and we hand those off to whomever's in charge of looking at the information that you gathered.